I'm going to show how to remove and replace the corner bulb on a Chrysler Crossfire, which many people don't even know exists. It is right here. There's 4 bulbs in the headlamp. This one, the outer turn signal, inner, okay? And of course you got your low beam light on the bottom. Put 4 in here, and that corner one. I'll show how to remove it with the headlamp attached, and later how to do it with the headlamp removed. Real quick, you might have a rubber cap right here. Go ahead and just remove it. So, just to show you from the passenger side right here. That's it right there. There's not much hand space, as you can see. You really can't get a good grip on it from here, but you can grab it. But anyway, with that being said, I'll show you what to do. Grab a pair of needle nose pliers, get a nice grip on it, and then just turn it counterclockwise. Okay. I'll grab a smaller needle nose pliers now and go underneath to twist it off. I'm going to see a little bit of a grip on it. See if I can turn it. Let's see. Yep. Okay. Let's pull this out. Okay. Here we go. Oh, well, that was a lot harder than it looked. So I just turned it on just to test it. It still works, which is fine. But I put some new LED ones in, so that's how the old one looks. I'll just put it to the side in case I need a spare for whatever reason. Very easy to remove this. Just grab it and pull it out. And you put a little drop, brushing of it on here. See? Already put it on, and now I'll just smear it a little bit with my pinky. Honestly, that should be good enough. I didn't see any corrosion in here, so this looked really good. Just put it in. Just push down. Cool. We turn the lights on and see if it goes on. Excellent. Cool. So now I'm going to maneuver it with my fingers all the way through, back into that hole. There we go. You'll feel it line up. And when you do, then you'll push it in. Okay, I got it lined up perfect. Grab my smallest needle nose pliers, get a grip on it, and then turn it clockwise. Okay, so that is in, as you can see, nice and tight. The new bulb is now in. I'll show another quick way to remove the corner bulb on the other side with the headlamp partially removed. This will show you a really nice view and perspective on removing the corner bulb, even if you don't remove the headlamp fully, which most people won't do. So I already removed part of it, and if you want to see the whole video on how to remove a headlamp, I have a very detailed one you can watch later. That is in the description. But anyway, here is the corner bulb. And you can see with some spacing, you can get a good grip with your fingers and just turn it counterclockwise with ease to remove it. I'm going to remove the corner bulb. This doesn't work anymore, so I'm going to remove it. It's very easy. You just quickly pull it out. Very simple. Now I'll replace it. So this is an LED bulb, a little bit better. These are also pretty cheap, these bulbs. This is the old one, this is the new one. I'll put these in the description if you're looking for a replacement bulb. And before I connect it, what you can do is add just a really, really small amount of bulb grease to this. The pins are very small in here, so let's use my pinky. There we go. So, and that's really all you need for something like this. These connectors are so small, but I just wanted to add a little bit of bulb grease, just so the electrical connection stays good. Okay, now I'll grab the bulb and put it in. Got the bulb. This one came in a nice aluminum sleeve. If not, just don't touch the bulb. You can use a napkin or whatever you want. And it's very simple. You just line it up and push it in. I think it's in. I'll go turn the car on and test it. There we go. Now to reinstall it, just put it in its hole, and you can either twist it in or use a pair of pliers. Great. Now lastly, put the caps back on both sides. Now a quick review and helpful tips. So this is looking great and nice and bright.
This was actually harder to do with the headlamp not removed, but I got it done. Anyway, make sure you have a few needle nose pliers, no more than 7 inches long. And if interested in how to test these small bulbs, or how to fully remove the headlamp or change the bulbs, then I'll leave those helpful videos in the description to watch right now. I'll also put all supplies and tools used for easy reference in case you tackle this project. Please mention your thoughts on this video, and thanks for watching and have a great day or night.